Fannie Mae says it's dropping the 620 traditional credit score floor. Sounds like a wild opening for home buyers with lower scores, right? Here's the real deal. Yes, Fannie Mae's change is real, but, and it's a big but, this is not a golden ticket that says if your score is below 620, you're suddenly approved. Far from it. Here's what's changing. Starting November 16th, 2025, Fannie Mae's automated underwriting system, its desktop underwriter, AUS, will no longer use 620 as a hard minimum representative score for loan case files submitted through the system. Instead, the model says we're going to evaluate the full borrower file, income, assets, debt, credit, history, score, everything. But here's what isn't changing, and this is where the confusion happens. The AUS still cares about your credit history, not just the specific number. It still looks at your income stability, history, down payment, debt to income ratio. Lenders will still pull credit scores and it will still affect pricing, rates, terms, etc. The bottom line, removing the 620 barrier doesn't remove the hurdles. Now, I've been doing this for over 20 years, and here's what that means in practical terms. In my experience, seeing an AUS approval on a conventional file when the score is in that 620 range is very rare. For example, I can probably count on one hand the number of times I saw one succeed. And those times typically involve significant down payments, strong income, and asset profiles. So yes, it's possible, but realistic? Probably not the norm. If you're under 620, here's what I want you to do, not what I want you to panic about. Apply anyway. Don't assume you'll be denied just because of the score. You won't know until you talk to a lender who digs in. But apply with the right lender, one who will actually review your full story, not just syndrome of score triggers auto-deny. Be honest about where you are with your credit, assets, down payment, income. We'll craft a plan to improve what can be improved. Also, don't forget, there are other programs. For example, FHA loans often have greater flexibility for lower scores and down payments. So if conventional via Fannie isn't the best path today, we'll explore the next best path. So yes, the headline change matters. It opens a little more room, but it does not mean everyone under 620 gets a conventional loan tomorrow. Far from it. Let's run the numbers and see what makes sense for you. If you're thinking homeownership, I want it, I'm ready-ish, but I know I've got some work to do, give me a call, drop me a DM. We'll map your credit picture, find the right mortgage path, and get you prepared for whatever that may look like in the future. Talk soon.